Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Cibil promo codes and how you can find the top and the best promo codes working for August 2024. So in order to do it, you first need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you need to search for Cibil promo codes. After that, you will be able to see the first website that is called worthpenny.com. So you just have to simply click on this link, and then you will be able to see all of the Cibil promo codes that are currently working for the month of August. So as you can see that here we have 16 active Cibil score promo codes. So you just have to select the promo code in which you are interested. Like you can get the $100 off promo code, 10% off promo code, 30% off promo code. So among these, let's say I have interest in this 30% off coupon code. So I'm simply going to click on the show code option, and then it will show me the code that is currently working. So you just have to simply copy it, and after that you just have to click on the show button. Once you click on the shop button, you will be redirected on the official website of cibil.com. Over here, you just have to go to the subscribe now button, or you just have to click on the new user button over here. Then it will show you their premium plans that last for 1 month, 6 months, and even 12 months. So you just have to select the plan in which you are interested. Let's say you want to subscribe this 12-month plan. So you just have to simply click on subscribe now. Then you need to just provide all of these details, and here you can see the referral code or the promo code option. So in this section you just have to paste the code that we have just copied from the website that we have selected, that was worthpenny.com. After pasting the code over here, you just have to simply click on the accept and continue button, and on the next page you just have to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to get the best discount code on Cibil promo codes. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks and promo codes related videos. Thank you so much for watching.